Yoga, the ancient practice that has stood the test of time, offering a sanctuary for the mind and body in a world filled with chaos and stress. It's not just about contorting your body into impossible poses or balancing on one foot for what seems like an eternity. It's about finding peace within yourself, quieting the noise of the outside world, and connecting with your inner being. I remember the first time I stepped onto a yoga mat, unsure of what to expect, but desperate for some relief from the constant whirlwind of stress that seemed to follow me everywhere. As I moved through the poses, feeling the stretch in my muscles and the deepening of my breath, I felt a sense of calm wash over me. It was as if all the worries and anxieties that had been weighing me down were melting away with each movement. Yoga became my refuge, my safe haven in a world that never seemed to slow down. The more I practiced, the more I realized the profound impact it was having on not just my body, but my mind and spirit as well. The stress that used to consume me began to dissipate, replaced by a sense of peace and clarity that I had never experienced before. Through yoga, I learned to listen to my body, to honor its limitations, and celebrate its strengths. I discovered a newfound sense of flexibility, both physically and mentally, that allowed me to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. The practice of mindfulness that is inherent in yoga taught me to be present in the moment, to let go of the past and future, and simply be. As I delved deeper into my practice, I found myself exploring the more spiritual aspects of yoga, connecting with the ancient wisdom and teachings that have been passed down through generations. I learned about the chakras, the energy centers within the body, and how to balance and align them for optimal health and well-being. I discovered the power of meditation, of quieting the mind and finding stillness in the midst of chaos. Yoga became not just a physical exercise, but a way of life for me. It became a tool for self-discovery and self-improvement, a path to healing and growth. It taught me to be kinder to myself, to be patient and compassionate, both on and off the mat. And so, I continue to roll out my mat each day, grateful for the gift that yoga has given me. It is a practice that has transformed me from the inside out, helping me to reduce stress, improve my body's flexibility, and ultimately find peace in a world that can often feel overwhelming.